It seems like already used. It's crushed all. It's open. And it seems like it was already used. You can see all the scratches there on top. It's very light. It's like it's empty. Let's see how it works. I think normally it had to come with a pedal. With this came inside, this, and the sport, and this. This is the box. Let me try this. So it has a button here. Hedi, ia vină cu aici. So this is the way you open it. This is the volume. I think this has to be the rotated. It's vibrating a lot. Is vibrating. Just you can feel the way your hand is vibrating. Let's finish that. She's strong, but it's vibrating a lot. The only noise that you can hear is the noise from the head. This doesn't do any noise, so you stop it like that, or you can stop it directly from here. You open from here, close from here. But the machine looks already used. Open to the point here. It's almost not the same like the pictures.